In this video, we listed the 5 best LCD microscope on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Andonstar AD209. The Andonstar AD209 is a digital microscope with a magnification ratio of 200x, featuring a 10.1-inch LCD display and a 2 megapixels HD sensor. It is certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS, and made of metal. Their microscope is designed in mainland China and is suitable for various applications such as phone and watch repairing, soldering, and SMT work. It offers high-definition video and photo capture capabilities in AVI and JPG formats respectively. Their microscope also includes adjustable angles for multi-angle observation, a metal bracket for 3D visual effects, and LED lights for sharper images. It supports memory card recording and is widely used in electronic repair, antique identification, jewelry, and factory production lines. The product is powered by USB 5V DC and does not require PC support. Number 2. TOMLOV DM9 Microscope. The TOMLOV DM9 digital microscope is a high-definition, handheld, and portable video microscope with a magnification ratio of 500x, 1500x. It features a 7-inch LCD display, ultra-precise focusing, LED fill lights, and comes with a 32GB SD card. This CE-certified microscope is suitable for soldering, coin examination, and other precision tasks. The TOMLOV DM9 is a reliable and efficient tool for various applications, and its compact design makes it easy to use and carry around. Proudly made in mainland China, this digital microscope is an ideal choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 3. Andonstar AD209 Microscope. The Andonstar AD209 is a versatile digital microscope designed for electronic applications such as PCB and SMD inspection, featuring a 10.1-inch adjustable LCD screen. It offers a magnification ratio of 260x and utilizes a 2 megapixels HD image sensor, enabling high-definition video and photo capture with resolutions up to 12 4032 by 3024. Their microscope supports multiple video resolutions, including FHD 1920 by 1080 and various frame rates up to 30 frames per second, with outputs stored in AVI format. It is powered via USB and includes 2 fill lights for enhanced visibility. With a compact stand measuring 18 cm x 20 cm x 32 cm and a total package weight of approximately 1.85 kg, the AD209 is both portable and user-friendly, making it suitable for various viewing needs. The package includes essential accessories, a user manual, and offers support for multiple languages, backed by CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications. Number 4. Elikliv DM9 Microscope. The Elikliv DM9 Pro digital microscope is a versatile and high-quality device designed for various applications, including electronics repair, coin inspection, and educational purposes. Featuring a magnification range of 50x to 1200x, it provides exceptional detail with a 16MP camera and a 7-inch HD IPS screen that delivers vivid colors and clarity. This microscope is equipped with 10 adjustable LED lights to enhance visibility during close-up observations and comes with convenient features like a wireless remote for capturing photos and videos, as well as HDMI and USB outputs for larger displays. Made from durable aluminum alloy, the device includes a solid stand for stability and a user-friendly setup, making it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. The Elikliv DM9 Pro also supports direct PC connection, allowing for easy sharing of images and videos, making it an ideal choice for both adults and children interested in exploring the microscopic world. Number 5. Opqpq ODM501 Microscope. The Opqpq ODM501 is a versatile 10-inch HDMI digital microscope designed for a variety of applications, including electronics repair, coin collecting, and educational use. With a magnification range of 10x to 1300x and a high-resolution 24MP camera, this microscope provides clear and detailed images, making it ideal for observing small objects and intricate details. It features a 1024 by 600 IPS LCD screen for enhanced viewing quality, an innovative polarizing filter to minimize glare, and dual rechargeable batteries for extended usability. The microscope connects easily to PCs and TVs via USB and HDMI, enabling real-time viewing on larger screens. Additional features include adjustable LED lighting, a smart wireless remote for easy operation, and the ability to capture high-quality photos and videos. With a generous working distance and a stable base, it offers an optimal environment for detailed work, thus catering to both amateur hobbyists and professional users.